Welcome to Plan B Trading. In this short segment, we ask the question, is trading for you? We also take a look at how you can start.
You clearly have an interest in trading. You might have read some books or found out some things from the internet. Perhaps you've received some emails or attended a free seminar. Maybe you know somebody who's already doing it and making a profit. It might just be curiosity. Most people understand that professional traders make profits. They also have a perception that trading is risky. For example, if I were to ask anyone off the street if they thought trading was risky, they'll answer yes in all probability. If I then ask them if they'd ever traded, the chances are they're going to say no. So why do people who've never traded think it's so risky? Maybe their knowledge is limited to the news, which only ever seems to inform you when markets are falling. Maybe they know someone or have heard of someone who's tried trading and lost money. These people never thought to ask if that have-a-go trader had been professionally trained though. After all, many people think you just trade. They don't see it as a skill, so don't even consider that you would need to be taught how to trade. Just having a go at trading is risky, and I'm going to talk more about risk in a few moments. In the meantime, here are a few things you need to be successful at trading. First of all, you'll need that most precious commodity of all, and that's time. You need time to learn the skill and time to practice. Most importantly, and this is the one you must have, you'll need a few minutes every day, minimum 20 to 30 minutes daily, to look for trading opportunities and to place and manage trades. The market is a 24-hour market, which means you can trade at any time of the day or night, so pick a time that works for you. Trading is about buying and selling. You've heard the expression buy low, sell high. Well, that's what we're going to do. It sounds so simple. You're going to need some money to be able to do that though. I know you can open a trading account with as little as £50. That doesn't mean you should. Realistically, you're going to need a couple of £1,000 or the equivalent of in euros or dollars to start trading. If you want to start with more than that, say 5 or 10,000, that's fine. If you've got a little less than 2,000 and you still want to trade, have a chat with one of our traders first. You don't need to be a mathematician or degree educated to trade. The tools these days do most of the work for you. You might be pleasantly surprised to know that the software you need for trading is available free of charge. There's no monthly or usage costs and no ongoing charges. Better still, brokers don't charge commission when you're buying and selling Forex or FX or currencies. No commission. That makes it a little different to the stock market and shares. There's no stamp duty or other trading taxes either. It means your ongoing costs for the software are zero. It means there are no transaction charges. Your costs are down to the difference between the buying price and the selling price. If you end up selling something for less than it cost you to buy it, then of course it's going to cost you some money. If you're selling it for more than it cost to buy, then you're making a profit. You're going to need a PC and a broadband connection. You don't need all of this stuff to start with. A laptop or something of that nature is just fine. And once you've been making some profits and consistent returns from trading, then by all means invest in extra gadgets and gizmos. Don't try this on a mobile phone. You're not going to see enough of the picture and it's not the right environment for trading. We've got to be professional in the way we approach things, and we must think and behave like a professional trader. They're the ones banking the profits after all. Could you imagine traders on a trading floor at a bank like, say, HSBC using mobile phones to trade? It's just not going to happen. You're going to need to follow some strategies for trading success. Strategies that are easy and simple to follow, and strategies that work. You'll know exactly where to get into a trade and where to get out. You're going to learn this through a comprehensive program of education and support. You'll be taught precisely what to do and when to do it. One of the obvious questions people ask me is, how much money can I make trading? Unfortunately, there are one or two organisations out there that would have you believe that trading is a solution to all financial problems. They'll tell you that you'll make lots of money very quickly, no effort or skill, using unique systems and strategies that of course no one else has. We refer to these systems and strategies as the Holy Grail. No one's ever seen it. There is no doubt you can be very successful at trading, but it is a skill and it does take some time to master it. Think of it more as a marathon rather than a sprint, a kind of get rich steadily. Look on trading as a way of taking control of your own financial future. If your finances are out of control right now, and you're considering trading so that you can afford your next mortgage or rent payment, then trading is not the right thing to do at this moment in time. Wait until you're in a better financial position with less pressure. You're going to enjoy trading so much more without taking unnecessary risks. Talking of risk, you do understand there are risks involved, right? Rather than thinking about how much money you could make, how about thinking about how much you'd feel comfortable losing on a single trade? £10, £20, £100, maybe nothing. One guarantee I can give is that every trader takes losing trades from time to time. The only guaranteed way of avoiding any losing trades is to avoid trading. During your training program, we're going to focus on trade sizing and risk management to make sure you're in the game for the long haul. After all, if you lose your trading funds, you'll never be in a position to bank profits. Think about it. If you were to lose even half of your money, you'd then have to double what's left just to get back to the starting point. Once you've mastered risk, you can look forward to the future, trading as the professionals do with low risk. We're going to focus on professional trading throughout everything we do. I've used the term professional several times already. And by professional, I mean a professional attitude rather than whether you're trading full-time, part-time or just as a hobby. The future, that might mean creating a second income, or money for some treats, meals out, maybe some extra holidays. For some people, it will be saving towards retirement, perhaps trading as an activity or hobby, something that can be done anywhere in the world. Or just the reassurance of having a lump sum of money or any number of other financial goals.
Have you decided that trading's the right thing for you? We've put a program together which consists of 5 days of classroom education led by one of our traders. You'll start with Trading 101 for 3 days. After your first 6 to 8 weeks of trading, come back for another 2 days and Trading 201. You can have a trader dedicated to you by taking private tuition in a city near you, or you can organise a group for private tuition. You can enrol on a public class which is open to a maximum of 10 delegates. Public classes run regionally through the UK. Both Trading 101 and Trading 201 include live trading in the markets, so you'll be left in no doubt what you need to do. A couple of weeks after each course, and you'll have a coaching session with one of our traders. We'll check your progress and offer a Q&A session to make sure you remain on track. Many more questions are covered on our frequently asked questions page. Alternatively, why not call 0203 603 4983 and have a chat with a trader now. Book Trading 101 to start your comprehensive training program, or have a chat with one of our traders by calling 0203 603 4983 now. You can find more information about coaching and our training programs, and you can book online at www.planbtrading.com.